This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm in Turkey. Today I'm going to show you where the yarns are sold. Here's the gorgeous road, antique road, historical Bursa, B-U-R-S-A. I am in Turkey, and I'm just walking down. This is called the Reyhan Carsisi, and this is where the yarns are sold. Here are the goodies sold. Aren't these gorgeous? All the supplies you need. And you can see there's yarn there, and there's fabric, tulip fabrics that are sold here. And then these gorgeous, it's called paper yarn that you can crochet yarn from. This is made out of real paper. They're about less than $20 for one skin. And here are some beads. Yes, indeed, here are the yarns. Okay, so subscribe to my channel. I am going to pick people who have subscribed to my channel. I'm going to make more tutorials, more videos about. And then I will be picking randomly using the random picker. And I will pick, here are gorgeous cotton yarn, and I will send to my subscribers. I am thinking of picking up 10. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Here is the yarn. Gonna go, oh, these are cotton yarn. My goodness, aren't these gorgeous? These are baby yarn. This is the yarn that I have chose to knit a baby blanket. They have all the colors, so I might add this to my giveaway. They are baby yarn, and they are anti-pilling. Anti-pilling, so they won't pill at all. I just bought this yarn. It's 100% cotton, just to give you an idea. And I'm crocheting that. I was doing the demonstration on how to crochet, and match. It is the same exact color. This is the yarn that I bought, and I think this is pretty good. Oh wow. This is so soft. Here are the gorgeous yarns. Yarn.
Yok, aldım geldi de arabada yani.
So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Oh wow. Look at these. These are 100% cotton. Here's the tissue cloth. Yok. Look at these yarn. Kar topu, 50% acrylic, 34% wool.
100 gram.
Ay,
Hayır, sen
ben bunu sormadım.
Çiçeğini ben mesela
Benim sordum.
Öbürleri 100 gram.
Ha, tamam.
katlı oluyor. Küçük.
Burada
Just
renkleri
brought
var.
me this. Burada tamam. Sağ ol.
Şurası ne kadar?
Ne kadar dedim bunu?
Tamam. Aldın mı çantasını?
Ne kadar dediniz bunu?
11 o.
11.
Çok
Tamam,
renk varmış
ben
burada. Bakın
arada o verdiğim
değişik
numarayı
bir renk
işte
varsa
bunlar
ben de
çok
alayım
saçma
bari.
dolaşsınlar. Ben de çıkacağım biraz sonra zaten alacağım onu geçerim.
Ben de evde de benim de bu kadar var yani. Bu kadar ipim var.
Hadi görüşürüz.
Tabii değişik renk var mı diye bakıyorum. Olmayan iplerden var mı diye.
Sen hep almışsın onu, hep örmemişsin.
Ben yok örüyorum.
Ne
canım.
kadar
Hep böyle
bunların
küçük
şey
küçük
içeriği?
figürüm
Okay, we're in
yapıyorum.
Turkey, so everyone's talking Turkish. Just to let you know. And this
Tamam, o
place is
zaman.
full,
Kırmızı
packed
yapalım.
with
Tamam.
women, ladies.
Kırmızı al bak. Şu güzel.
Şunu koyu kırmızı.
Kırmızı güzel.
Oh my goodness, they're so soft. I think this is cotton. Just checking.
Ben çiçekleri
Okay, it's 55% organic cotton, 45% anti-pilling. That is the word we're looking for.
renkli öyle rengi kırmızı benimki bir bayrak kırmızı. Bunda kalın olur. Bir kat yapabilir. İki kat yaptım ama şey olmuyor.
Kalın kırmızı yapar. Bakıyorum.
Bir orlonlardan da bir göster bakalım.
Bakayım ona göre alacağız.
Ha. Bir de 2.20.
I feel like I'm in a lollipop shop. Look at the colors. Again, this is Bursa. It's called Reyhan Carsisi. Carsisi means the market, the bazaar. There are small stores that. Oh, this is very soft. So this is 55% cotton, 45% I believe acrylic. It's 50 gram. It's called Yarn Art Jeans. I heard a lot about this yarn but never touched it, but it is very soft. Highly recommend. So subscribe to my channel and don't miss out the giveaway. Wow, look at these colors. Okay, this is called organic cotton, and it's super soft, and it's hand dyed from organic, like plant roots. She tried to explain to me. Kind of cut it off because people were staring at me while. Okay, and this is 100% cotton, all organic. So let me know, put a comment below if you want this yarn, and then if you crochet or if you knit. Oh wow, look at these. Oh my goodness. Bunlar ne kadar?
Onlar Cashmere 25 lira.
Wow, this is so soft.
Bu ne kadar?
You put your comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will post a giveaway about this yarn. She said it's baby cashmere. And it's all organic. It's about 100 gram. Oh, it's so soft. So they have a couple of colors here. They have the burgundy, the peach, baby blue. Okay, I don't want to leave this place, but I have to go. Look at the cakes. Oh my goodness, look at the cakes. Look at this color rainbow. 100% acrylic.
Nuraycığım bu ne kadar?
Ablam ayna burada bak. Şurada hemen.
Nuray bu ne kadar?
12,5. 200 gram onlar.
It's about 200 grams, she said. So it's 200 gram.
Her şey olsun.
200 gram, 3.5 all ounces, 395 yard, and 360 meter. Made in Turkey. They're all made in Turkey. The heart where the yarn is made from. See, 200 gram.
Yukarıdakiler 13 lira, aşağıdakiler 12 lira.
Look at these lovely yarns. Oh, she has all the things you need here.
Kazan farkı olmasın.
Kazan farkı olmasın.
Değiştirdiyse onu bilmesi lazım. Hep aynı kazanı yapın o zaman.
Yapamıyoruz.
Onu biliyorsan aramayacaksın o zaman.
Kuramıyoruz renkleri.
Okay, this is the second store that I came, but this store is more, I don't know, they have more yarn. Everyone has more yarn. There are about 5-6 stores. Just gonna slip it, flip it. Look at this yarn. They're all baby yarn. You can't find this yarn in Walmart, Hobby Lobby. What else they have? Joann's. Look at them. Aren't they gorgeous? Okay, I'm going to pay that yarn that I'm purchasing and I will... Okay, I just want to show you what I just bought. I came here and I forgot my bath, the bath scrub that I made for myself. And I'm going to crochet one. I have a tutorial, so go and check my tutorial on how to crochet it. So I'm going to crochet one. This is for, she said this is for bath scrubbing. And it's pretty soft. Soft to the skin. I just wanted to show. I bought this. And I will show you the rest of the yarns here. See, this is one store. And this is the next door neighbor. And then you follow. And then there's more yarns. I think 4 more stores or 3 more. Okay, and this is, isn't this yarn beautiful? Okay, it says Canon. It's 10% alpaca, 15% mohair, 75% acrylic. So subscribe to my channel. Don't miss out the goodies. Look at these gorgeous yarns. And our baby yarns are so soft. They're super soft. Oh my goodness. Here are the store across. These are the stores. These are cotton yarn. Here, these are about 100 grams of yarn. They're sold for 6 lira. They're about $1.50 Canadian. Look at this color. I think that was the last store. That was the last store. There's no more yarn left. Okay, here's some yarn for 3 lira. 3 lira is less than $1. Okay, anything you see here, they're about 100 grams for $1, less than $1. Here is $1. This is Canadian dollar I'm talking about. So with the American dollar, it's cheaper. Here's, I think this is the last store. The owner said to go on in and tape us. Look how organized they are. Look at the goodies they made out of. Look at that, scrubbies for the bathroom. When you take a bath, shower, you scrub yourself. She said that she sells wholesale too. Ciddi misin?
Evet.
Direkt buraya gelirim bir daha, tamam.
Fabrikadan halka, benim fabrika var. Fabrikadan halka yani. Bütün ipler 5 lira, düşünsene işte.
Okay, these are 100% cotton. And she just said that most of the yarns are 5 lira, so it's
Nereye
about
gönderdin?
$1. So I'm gonna let you guys go. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends.
Ne güzel yabancı dili o. İngiliz